Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Caleb Digest. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. In this video, I want to show you a fellowship opportunity that I participated last year. It is the Advanced Field Course in Ecology and Conservation. It holds yearly at Sichuan Tropical Botanical Garden. Please note that the deadline is July 20th. So I'll leave the link in the description box. Just do well to read everything yourself. I'll just quickly highlight some few things. Yeah, this was the 15th edition. You can see me with my gala costume. Yeah, and the training is going to be in English. Yeah, so this was during the tree climbing training. That's me there trying to climb the tree. Yeah, so I'll just highlight few things. You just read everything yourself. Yeah, these are the core instructors: Professor Chin, Professor Richard, Professor Himza, Professor Aki, Professor Kyle, and Professor Dosa. And the training venue will be at STBG, Sichuan Tropical Rainforest, then Alayo Mountain Subtropical Forest. Yeah, so the training is going to be free. However, you need to cater for your travel expenses to Sichuan. Yeah, so once you get to Sichuan, the staff, there will be an arrangement for people to come and pick you from the airport. And when the course is over, they'll drop you off at the airport. Then you find your way back. So accommodation, meals, and everything will be catered for by the fellowship. Yeah, so this is the registration link. So you just take your time to read everything and fill it accordingly. Don't be in a rush. You need to write some essay. Take your time to fill. Yeah, in terms of passport, please take your time to fill everything accordingly. Don't be in a rush. Yeah, so what I want to highlight here, yes, you need to send your CV and a photo of your passport to this email. And once you are sending, please, this should be the title of your email: AFEC-X 2024 application, nationality, that means the name of your country, then your full name. Yes, please be careful when you are filling this form. So you fill this and submit, then you email this document to this email address. Yeah, so you can watch the video. Yeah, this 10 minutes video. Yes, it summarizes everything we did last year at AFEC-X. So if you have any question, all these links, I'll leave them in the description box. Yeah, if you have any question, please you can contact me and I'll be readily available to help you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much and see you in my next video.